This time we are going to subtract fractions. Okay? You have to keep in mind that anytime you will subtract fractions, you have to find a common denominator. Okay? Now, in this case, we have the same denominator. The denominator is 8. Okay, so we have to do exactly the same like we did with addition. The denominator will stay with my answer, and I have to subtract the numerators. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now, let's take a look at the answer to this problem. I have 2 over 8. You have to keep in mind that 2 and 8 are divisible by 2. That's why I'm going to reduce this fraction by dividing numerator and denominator by the common factor. Common factor for 2 and 8 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. This is the solution to my problem.